Hi everyone. Today I will talk about some beautiful white fragrant flowers. This is Aromatic Jui flower. This beautiful flower is famous all over the world for its fragrance. This flower is called white Ixora or wild Ixora. The fragrance of this flower is very beautiful. These flowers bloom in large clusters in late spring and early summer. Seedlings grow from seeds and roots. The English name of this flower is Arabian jasmine. This flower is called by different names in different countries. This flower is very popular for its beauty and beautiful fragrance. This flowering plant also has some medicinal properties. This fragrant flower has many names: night flowering jasmine, harsinghar, coral jasmine, Parijat, etc. This fragrant flower is commonly known as orange jasmine. This beautiful fragrant flower blooms almost all year round. The English names of this flowers are Lady of the Night, night blooming jessamine, night scented jessamine, night scented cestrum. These fragrant flowers bloom at night. Flowers remain fresh for 5 to 6 days after blooming.